as we talked about before, the types of things that cause insulin resistance are stress, and eating a lot of junk food causes insulin resistance, but it's a vicious catch-22 because the insulin resistance is causing the junk food cravings. So managing stress is really the first thing, and that's by listening to the visualization CD that I have, and by doing other things to help manage stress, like meditation or exercise or yoga or all these types of things. Getting therapy for stressful situations, but managing stress will help reverse insulin resistance and take care of all of the different emotional reasons why your body activates the fat programs in the first place. Adding omega-3 fatty acids, live food, and protein to your diet will help reverse insulin resistance, and it will help stabilize your blood sugar. Protein is actually, what you want is you want foods that release sugar into your system very slowly so that you don't get this accelerated insulin response and these rapid blood sugar fluctuations. Protein obviously is not a sugar, but you can convert protein to sugar, and it's a very slow process. So eating a breakfast that has a lot of protein will help keep your blood sugar stable for long periods of time. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial to reversing insulin resistance. The reason is, remember I said before how insulin's like a key that tries to unlock the cell wall? Well, eating most of the fats that we eat today, the saturated fats, the processed fats, the refined fats, they're a hard fat, and our cell wall is made of fat. All the cells of our body has a wall that's made of fat. Now that fat is a hard, rigid fat that doesn't allow for proper communication with the hormones. Omega-3 fatty acids and other essential fatty acids are permeable fats. And if you eat them every day, over a 6-month period, all the cells of your body get replaced with this very permeable fat that allows for proper communication between the hormones and the cells. So your cells are more sensitive to the hormone insulin and to other hormones also. And your brain cells are also 65% made of fat. And over a 6-month period, they become covered with this very permeable fat, this essential fat, and that allows for proper communication between the neurotransmitters and the brain cells. And so you don't get things like bipolar disease and depression and all these kinds of things. And that's why omega-3 fatty acids are so effective in treating depression and bipolar disorder and ADD and all of these types of things. Live food also is very good at keeping your blood sugar stable and reversing insulin resistance. And live food is food that has live chlorophyll in it, like live salads, things that haven't been cooked and processed, that have live vitality in them. They're still live. Those types of foods are very good. So in the book, I talk about having a breakfast that's very high in protein, live food, omega-3 fatty acids. And I recommend all through the day, whenever you're eating, always ask yourself, where are those 3 components? And over time, the insulin resistance goes away, the insulin levels go back down, your body gets more efficient at burning fat. But if you don't eat a big breakfast and you go too long without eating during the day, your blood sugar level is going to fall too low, it's going to cause sugar cravings. And once you have those sugar cravings and you eat that sugar, the whole day you're not going to be able to stabilize your blood sugar because it's always going to be going too high, too low, too high, too low. So you have to, in the beginning, be very, very proactive about your blood sugar. Don't go too long without eating during the day, and eat foods that have these things, protein, omega-3s, and real foods. Add those foods. And just be very vigilant and make sure that you haven't gone too long and you're going to get those sugar cravings. So if you eat frequently during the day, to stabilize your blood sugar, you won't get those rapid blood sugar fluctuations, and over time you'll reverse that condition. So it's a really important point in the beginning.